this is going to be a very short, small haul, but I thought all of it was pretty interesting and like worthy to show in a video. So this is going to be Burlington, DD's, discounts, and Marshalls. So I'm going to start out with what I got, and I got this today.
So cute.
I thought it was pretty good to get. So it's like a royal blue, and then it's got white stitching around it, and then the front of it goes all the way down past your belly button. And on the back, it looks like this, and it's got the little Ralph Lauren like nameplate sewn into the back of it.
Love it.
And it still has the Ralph Lauren tag on it, and it says that it was $132, and I paid $12. So I'm super excited about this. It's really like fitting and sucks you in.
Oh,
real
it's
nice.
beautiful on her.
So I was really excited when I found this. So that's what I got.
So that was like marked down like 3 or 4 times at Marshall's.
Yeah, it was originally $30 at Marshall's, and I got it for $12. And then we went to DD's yesterday, and I'm excited for this for the vlog/cooking channel that Mom and I have. And it's another Copper Chef gadget. So this is the 12-inch grill. And at first we were like, well, what can you use it for? And down here it says oven, stovetop, and grill. And then I noticed that you can use it with our induction plate. So that's kind of the main reason we picked it up, and I'm really excited to use this.
So if you turn around on the back, you can show them.
Yeah, it shows the induction plate and all the information on the back, and we paid $19.99 for this, and when I looked it up, it's going for like $25 to $30 in like the regular stores that you can buy them. So I thought that's going to be really good and fun to use.
Yeah, yes, for sure.
And then Mom also got these from DD's.
These are big giant planters, and I thought they were really cool. They've got like rivets in them. These are made of like a thick plastic material.
How much were they?
These were $12.99 a piece. So I thought like 2 beautiful palms out of the top of them for around the pool, or even by the front door, or maybe some mother-in-law tongue, which would be like snake plant. You could put a couple pieces in here, and within a month to 5 weeks, this whole thing will be filled up, and they're nice and tall and colorful with green and yellow on them. So anyway, how cute. So they had 2 of them. So I went ahead and I got both of them, and got those yesterday at DD's.
Mom got this at Burlington, and she wasn't gonna buy them.
Right.
But I kind of talked her into them. She doesn't have any name brand like Uggs. So we saw these, and first of all, they were the only ones that were in the store, and I was like, they look really like weird. So I was looking at them, and I'm like, they almost look leather-like. Like if you go in the vlog from yesterday on my channel, you can see us find these. But they're a size 4, which I think that's why they were there, and it was kind of an awkward size. But they're the UGG Pure, and they're the leather Uggs, which I didn't even know Uggs had leather Uggs.
They're beautiful. I mean, they are so beautiful.
Today we went back to Burlington to see if they had another pair, because I was like, okay, now that you got them, and I've seen you wear them last night, I think they're really cute. So she got them.
And they match my Louis Vuitton perfect. The
they
coloring.
Were $60. And I thought that was a really good deal. I looked those up online, and those were at Nordstrom, I believe, and they were $174 to $200, and they're out of stock right now. So,
I mean, how adorable.
Yeah, they're really, really cute. And they're like so different. And like that's what I love about them.
So comfy inside. And I probably wanted a pair of Uggs. I know this is crazy ridiculous, but I just kept telling myself, am I gonna really pay $140 for a pair of boots? Why? I just cannot fathom doing that. It's hard for me to.
Buys $1,000 Louis Vuitton.
Well, though, you got most of that was paid by my husband for my Christmas present. I mean, he gave me a gift card for $700, and then I picked up the rest.
You still have Marshall's bag too.
Yep. So we got.
Oh,
that's right. We got that too. Okay.
Is that mine? Oh yeah, and we have Bealls Outlet too. The little haul.
Okay, so I got these for Gabrielle.
Oh yeah. I already forgot about those.
She loves to wear black flip-flops. And her black flip-flops were so ungodly bad. Much I love her, I was a little embarrassed when she used to wear them. And I just wanted to sneak in and grab them and like throw them in the trash.
Okay, I think you still have them. I think they're still in the back of his truck because in one of the vlogs, I was looking for them and could not find them. And I did, if you watch my vlog channel, remember, I was like, I bet my mom took these. She came over and she put that fireplace in my house earlier, and I bet she took them back with her.
I did, but
so no, I thought these were cute.
And
they say Calvin Klein on them.
And on the thing there.
And Calvin Klein all of a sudden is like this huge brand that everyone's wearing the underwear and the bra
I've always
sets.
loved Calvin Klein.
But they were real comfortable. So
what was the original price on those?
I don't know. It just says compare at $20.
Okay,
they don't
so
have like a price on them.
Compare at $20, and then I paid
$9.99
for them. But if she can wear them for the whole summer and they look decent and they don't look like
those other ones were so comfortable though.
They looked homeless wear.
They did not.
Wore them. They were horrible.
They are not.
Not your
What's wrong
OPs.
about
Not
them?
your OPs. Those other ones that you used to wear and they used to come apart when you were wearing them. The little piece that goes down between your toes used to pop out. Remember you wore them to fly here for my birthday, and I was like, Jiminy Christmas, what are they? What are those things?
I don't know what you're talking about, but if they would pop apart when I was wearing
You'd
them,
be like, oh, I have to fix them. Boop, and she'd pop it back through, and I was like, they've got to go.
I don't remember those at all. I thought you were
Oh.
talking about my OPs, because those are so comfortable because they have the high arch in them for
And
my
they're
foot.
okay. They're okay. They're okay.
Those
but
are the ones
worn.
that I thought you stole and threw
No, I
away.
didn't.
Those ones.
No, I didn't.
And I still don't know where they are.
I think they are in the back of one of Ronald's many vehicles, going back and forth to the lake
I
sometimes.
don't remember which ones you're talking about. They must have got thrown away.
Oh, they did.
I think. Oh, did you throw them? Did you throw them away?
Oh, I couldn't take them no more. Every time she came over, she had them.
That's why I don't remember them.
She had them things on, and I thought, "Are you wearing those out to dinner?" And she was like, "Yeah, what's wrong with them?" I'm like, "Oh, I'm so embarrassed."
When did you throw them away?
Oh my God. It's been a little while because then you got the OPs and I could like live with those. I was like, oh, that's a little better. So anyway, she's got new black ones.
I don't even remember those.
She's absolutely addicted to black flip-flops. So anyway, funny story. So today when we were at Marshall's, they had these Tommy Bahama sheets, and they have a little hole where you can fill them. And they are so comfortable.
The swordfishes?
Yeah, and that's their like little logo, Tommy Bahama's little logo. And that's what's all over the sheets.
And you paid $29? What was the original?
I paid $29. I want
you
to
don't
say
$39.
And then I think that said they retailed for $59.
Something like that, yeah.
So 59 marked to 29, which is not bad. So we're going to give them a go. They're 100% cotton percale. So if anybody knows anything about sheets,
No idea what that means.
soft, nice sheets, good quality. So I didn't even look to see what all came in here, but I'm sure it must be the whole set.
Sheet set.
Yeah.
And
Super
then
cute, super nice.
we went to Bealls, which I think Bealls are only like down here in the south, but it was Bealls Outlet.
Bealls
and I
Outlet.
saw these over in like the,
Clearance area.
yeah, and it's by Take a Walk, which I've never heard of, but if you know me well, I live in my black Avia leggings, my cropped ones. What, do you hate them too?
No, but that's what I mean. You're addicted to this. And these look good. And these
I was
look
about
good.
to be like, woman,
No.
those are my favorite, and you're not making me throw them away.
Nope, they
I've
look
had
good.
these for 3 years.
No, I was commenting on how good they look today,
I
actually.
thought she was about to throw me under the bus on camera.
Nope.
So anyhow, these are a little bit different. They're not as like tight as the ones that I wear, but they have pockets on the side. And then another cool thing is down this side of them. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see it, but there's like mesh zigzag black cutouts.
Cute.
So they fit my butt really nice, and they were $5.59. So I think after tax I paid $5.99 for them.
Now what was the regular price on those?
$7.99.
Okay.
So I got $2 off.
Yeah, hey,
But-
$2 is $2.
I only have 2 of these black cropped leggings, so getting another pair of them is great. 'Cause
And
I
how cute is that
literally wear
gonna-
these every day.
How cute is that going to look with your new black flip-flops?
So that's all of that we got. So I hope you enjoyed this little random haul and flip-flop banter.
Well, let me just say, we had a day.
We were surrounded by stuff.
I mean,
we just filmed a pound store haul. We still have a Dollar Tree haul to film, and then we just filmed this random haul that's from like the past 3 days of us shopping.
Shop till we drop. We left it at
but it's
11.
All deals.
We left at 11 this morning, and we got home at 6 something tonight.
It's all deals.
Yeah, we didn't pay full price for nothing.
Except that grill and the Uggs. Well, the Uggs, I wouldn't even consider them full price. And the grill, we didn't pay full price for it at like a regular store.
Right. Okay, so we
that
thank
is
you
all
guys.
of that. So we will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.
Bye.